Hello everyone, in this short video we'll be providing you with essential information about SSDs. We'll delve into what SSDs are, how they work, and what advantages they offer. If you're looking to learn more about computer hardware or gain insights into SSDs, this video is perfect for you. Stay tuned and enjoy. What is an SSD and how does it work? An SSD, solid-state drive, is a storage device used as an alternative to traditional hard disk drives, HDDs. SSDs operate on a technology that electronically stores data without the need for mechanical parts like spinning disks or moving read/write heads. Here's a basic overview of what SSDs are and how they function. NAND flash memory. The fundamental component of SSDs is NAND flash memory cells. NAND flash memory is a type of non-volatile memory that stores data by changing the electrical charge between electrons. Data access. When a computer's processor or other components need data, the SSD retrieves or writes the data by altering the charge between electrons. Since this process doesn't require mechanical movements, it is much faster than HDDs. Speed. SSDs are significantly faster than traditional HDDs. Data read and write operations occur nearly instantly, enhancing overall computer performance. This is especially noticeable in reduced operating system boot times and application launch times when using SSDs. Durability. SSDs are more durable compared to HDDs because they lack mechanical parts. They can withstand shocks, vibrations, and jolts better, making them advantageous for laptops and portable devices. Longevity. SSDs have a limited write lifespan for each cell, but modern SSDs incorporate technologies like trim and wear leveling to extend their lifespan. Capacity. SSDs can offer storage capacities as large as HDDs, but they tend to be more expensive. High-capacity SSDs are often preferred by professional users or gaming enthusiasts with demanding storage needs. In conclusion, SSDs provide faster, more durable, and more energy-efficient storage solutions. If you want to boost your computer's performance and achieve faster data access, considering the use of an SSD is a good idea. I hope our video was useful. You can support me by following our channel. Goodbye.